viewers, welcome to Chrissy's Kingdom. Hope you are all fine and safe. So this video is a home tour of my home. This is a flat in Kakinad and here I have arranged all the stuff in a baby-proof manner. So this video will be helpful for those who are newly shifting to an apartment and for those who want to baby-proof their homes. So let's go to the video. Welcome to my home.
This is how our flat was during our first visit. At first, it was difficult to get things done, but with the help of our parents and relatives, we were able to get all the necessary items and furniture within 2 days. And soon after that, we conducted a flat farming, naming our home Bathan. So just wait and watch till the end. I will be sharing our flat farming videos. Now let's go back to the present view.
Here we have a shoe rack over here and this is bought online. Initially we had kept this inside, but since we had a baby, it will be difficult for us to keep all the footwears inside, so we kept it outside. And then here we have fixed a net door because we can't open and keep the door as the baby may go outside, and this is a protection for mosquitoes as well. So if we close this door, we get good breeze and as well as the baby won't go out. So finally we are inside my home, and in the first place there is a wall here. The rest of the walls are painted cream and this is a little darker cream, and there is some round designs over here. And then here we have our TV. This is from VU company and it's bought online. I'll add the link in the description box below. And then next we have this showcase rack. So most of the new apartments there won't be showcase, but still we'll have some showpiece items. So we can't keep it down or anywhere because we have a baby. So this is like a corner rack. It is not too projecting and we can keep all things intact also. So here we have a few of Cyril baby's toys, and then this is a key stand which we have bought online, and then this is actually a fish tank with 3 compartments. Actually now the fish is not there because due to lockdown we were not here and we were in a native. So earlier we had fishes, and this is a 3 compartment fish tank which is used for fighter fish. And then we have a few of Cyril's books, toys, more toys down. This is the furniture set. This we bought from Menaka Ernakulam. There are so many furniture shops over there and we bought from one of them. So that's his area, his play area. So this is a sofa set, and we have got a wooden table with a glass top. And then in this area actually it would be good to keep photo frames and all, but we didn't spend much time in doing that. So just not to keep the wall free, I have stuck this engagement photo of ours. This is actually a poster actually used to stick on the cars on our wedding day. Now this is a photo collage cushion which I had gifted for my husband on our first wedding anniversary. This too I had bought online. I had submitted the photos and I had gotten this way. So I'll add the link in the description box. And then next, this is a beautiful clock. It had a pendulum but we had removed it. This was gifted by my friends for my wedding. About these curtains, this too we had bought from Menaka in Ernakulam. So I had selected a combination of maroon and cream. So if I put completely maroon means no much light will come. Then next we have this beautiful altar set. This was got along with the picture of Sacred Heart of Jesus. This also was bought from Menaka. And here we have the crucifix, saints, all statues we had bought from different churches. We have a special rack to keep the Bibles and prayer books and all. If you have noticed here, the hall and dining room is actually an entire big room. We wanted to have a partition, so we added this curtain rod. So whenever we want to have a covering, we just extend this like this. And then next we have this beautiful dining table. It is a 4-seater dining table, and this was also bought from Ernakulam in Menaka. And this is actually a glass top table, and I have put 2 table covers over here I had bought online. Then here we have our baby's high chair, and now this is the switchboard of the main switch. And just to cover this, I had added our engagement poster. Then these are the 2 bedrooms. This is a 2 BHK flat, and these are the 2 bedrooms with attached bathrooms, and also each of them has a small balcony. And now here we have our baby's photo, and he was 1 month. And here we have placed the Last Supper. Now here we have the wash basin. This mirror we had bought it online, and this is a small stand. We have a mini mirror and towel as well as for hand sanitizer. I think this we bought from Walmart. Okay, and this is an open kitchen. Here we have a half wall. Here we have placed our Wi-Fi phones, and there's an extension board. So actually the main connection is behind this sofa, and it is a little low because Cyril may go and touch all those things. We have placed these sofas joining to the wall. Actually earlier we had placed it facing the TV. Because we have placed like this, it is more safer for the kid, as the wiring area is covered, as well as the child can walk about in this whole space. He can run about and play. Okay, and let's start over here. This is a small fridge of Samsung company, which we had bought from Lulu Mall in Ernakulam. This is a magnet holder which we got it from Goa. Okay, and here we have a clock, so I can check out the time when I'm cooking to know whether I'm late or not. This is a modular kitchen in which there are many cupboards above and below. So here we can place all the vessels and items neatly inside. If you have noticed this, these are the clips which is used for baby safety. Now the problem in modular kitchens is that all the doors below will be sliding for easier access. Kids, they will pull all these vessels out, which I had faced a big problem. So I had bought this special lock, so it will be easy for me to access. See, he won't be able to open this if you have noticed. Earlier he used to try to open. You can't open! What happened, baby? Here we have a glass top 3-burner stove, which I bought from Lulu Mall. And then we have a microwave. This we had bought online. And over here, this is a vessel rack to dry all the washed vessels. And I found this very useful, which I bought online. And this will be useful especially for those who are staying in small apartments. In houses, you will have a lot of place, you will have a work area to dry up your vessels. But in small apartments or houses, there won't be much space. So for such kind of apartments, this rack will be very useful. So here I have kept vessels of different shapes and sizes. Okay, and now over here, this is a free space. Here, if want, we can extend by adding an extra kitchen slab, to keep some vessels or something, but as of now I have kept here free. Earlier I had kept dustbins over here. Those who are staying in flats will know we have separate dustbins for the food waste, paper waste, plastic waste, etc. Because we have a kid, it is difficult to place dustbins over here. So I have placed my dustbin under the sink. And then finally we have our washing machine. We bought this online, and this is like a small laundry bag which we bought it online. And if I remove this is a coconut scraper with a seat which we had also bought from Menaka Ernakulam. It is not short, it has some height. Earlier we used to keep it here. Difficult, we can't keep it around because we have a baby. So that's why I have arranged in this manner. I had kept it behind the washing machine and covered it with this laundry bag. So my baby can't reach there. And then behind this I had kept a cardboard box where I had kept all brooms. Let's go to the 2 bedrooms. So this is our bedroom. This cot as well as the cot in the next bedroom, we had bought it from Kadavandara Ernakulam. This is actually a queen size cot, so we as well as the kid can lie down comfortably. Then over here we have cloth wardrobes which is attached to the wall, and then over here we have a dream catcher which we had bought from Goa to get sweet dreams. Just for a decor, okay? And over here we have a bedroom side table which we had bought online. Now this is a small bed which I used to keep my baby in the afternoons, daytime. I won't keep Cyril baby on the bed because he might fall off the bed. So we keep our baby on the mat over here. And about this very long pillow, right? This is actually called a sea pillow, or we can say a maternity pillow, which I had used when I was pregnant, but now I'm using as a protective for our baby. So Cyril can sleep over here. Actually here earlier we had kept our ironing table, but now as Cyril is there, we have shifted that to the next room. So in that plug we had used a night lamp. So this we had bought online. And now here we have an attached bathroom. And this is the favorite part of our bedroom, that is our balcony. There is a beautiful park over here which we have used for common functions, but now it is reserved and it is set up for shooting for the Malayalam movie 12th Man, in which Mohanlal Unni Mukundan is acting. So the shooting will be conducted soon, and we are excited that we can watch the shooting from our home itself. So this is our second bedroom, which is our guest bedroom. And now here you can see the second cot, which is also bought from Kadavandara. This is a slightly smaller cot. If you notice, these corners are sharp, so for the kids not to hit around, or even we accidentally might hit here. So this is actually a baby proofing protection for all the corners and sharp edges. This I had bought online, and I'll add the link in the description box. This is actually a mirror image of the other bedroom here, but here the wardrobes are smaller, and you can see the 2 cowboy hats which we got it from Goa. And this is a photo frame of me and my cousins, which my cousins had given the previous day of my wedding. Okay, and now this is the ironing stand which we had earlier kept in the other bedroom. Our iron box we always keep it inside the cupboard. It's too dangerous now to keep out. And here's a plug point, and this is a covering for the plug point. This is also part of baby proofing. Here also we have an attached washroom. This is a pedestal fan which we have used mostly on summers, and it's a gift. Then finally, the last area of my flat, that is the balcony. From here also we have the same view which we had seen in the other balcony, and here I use especially to dry clothes. This is a cloth hanger which will be useful to use in apartments. This too I had bought online. I will add the link in the description box. So that's the end of my home tour, and I hope you have got a few ideas about what all things you need to buy when you are shifting to a new apartment and how you need to arrange and all those things. And also few of you might have got a few tips about baby proofing. If you like my video, please don't forget to like and comment, and those who are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to Chrissy's Kitchen. So see you in my next video. Bye.